There was a time when their eyes lit up the moment they saw you. A time when every message made your heart race. But lately, something feels different. Their replies got shorter, their interest colder, and now you're wondering, can I ever make them feel that way again? Here's the truth. Attraction doesn't die, it gets buried. And in this video, you're going to learn how to reignite it. Using dark psychology. Not tricks, not begging, but the raw understanding of how human emotion works, and how to use it to make someone fall for you again. So, don't skip a second of this video, because every part of what you're about to hear builds the path to making them crave you again. Attraction fades when predictability takes control. When someone knows exactly what you'll say, how you'll react, when you'll call, their brain shuts off the chase. Human attraction runs on dopamine, the chemical of excitement, anticipation, and reward. When you become too available, their brain stops releasing it. So the first step to rebuilding attraction is simple. Break the pattern. Stop being predictable. Stop reaching out first every time. Change your rhythm. Disrupt the comfort. The moment their brain senses something different, it starts asking questions. And when they're curious again, you've already reactivated attraction. Dark psychology teaches this rule. People value what they fear losing. When you chase someone, their brain classifies you as safe, not special. But when you step back, even just a little, their brain senses a gap. That gap turns into anxiety. And that anxiety becomes desire. You don't rebuild attraction by being louder. You rebuild it by being quieter. Let your absence do the talking. Stop trying to fix everything overnight. Silence is a weapon when used right. And while they're thinking, wondering, missing you, that's when you rebuild your power. Attraction is a mirror, not a magnet. You don't pull people in by chasing. You pull them in by reflecting what they want. If they're drawn to confidence, show calm control. If they're drawn to mystery, don't over-explain. If they crave adventure, build a life that shows it, not says it. This is called psychological mirroring. It makes someone subconsciously feel that you get them, that you realign with what they want without them realizing why. The moment someone feels emotionally understood, their guard drops. And that's when attraction sneaks back in, quietly, powerfully. If this is connecting with you, pause for 1 second. Hit that subscribe button, because every week, I share deep insights on dark psychology, attraction, and emotional control. If you've ever been ghosted, ignored, or lost someone you love, this channel will teach you how to turn pain into power. Now, let's go even deeper, because the next steps are where attraction truly reignites. You don't make someone fall for you again by begging them to remember you. You make them feel you again. The brain doesn't love people, it loves emotions. To rebuild attraction, you must trigger nostalgia, emotional memory linked to you. Send a casual message that references an old moment, a joke only you two understood, a song you once shared, a memory that replays your best version in their mind. When they remember how they felt with you, the attraction reignites naturally. No forcing, no chasing, just emotion, quietly reawakening. To make someone fall for you again, you must first fall in love with yourself again. The strongest form of attraction is self-value. Show that your life moves beautifully, with or without them. Glow differently. Upgrade your peace. When they see you've evolved, their subconscious reevaluates your worth. They start thinking, did I lose something rare? That question alone plants the seed of desire again. Dark psychology doesn't mean manipulation, it means awareness. And awareness is power. Attraction isn't found in chasing. It's found in energy. When you move with self-worth, when you stay calm in distance, when you choose silence over desperation, that's when people feel your pull again. Because the truth is simple, you never lost your magic. You just forgot how powerful your silence can be. This is dark psychology, and you've just learned how to make someone fall for you again.